Now, if you want to grab products from other merchant site, all you need to do is go back to your dashboard, go to Add Products, and select Grab Deals. Now, you have the option to search, browse, or type any products you want to grab. And then, aside from grabbing, you have the option to share it to social media as well or buy the products. Now, if you want to grab the product, just press Grab, and it will be automatically placed on your inactive products. Now that you have your Grab products, let's talk about how to manage them. Again, go back to your dashboard section, click on the Add Products, and then press Grab Deals. There you will see Manage Your Rebenta products. Click on it, and then you will see all the products available. You have the options to edit it. So just click on the specific product you want to edit, click Edit, and then choose main category if you want beauty, fashion, health, whatever you want. Click on it and then also edit the subcategory. And before you apply any changes, don't forget, if you want to post your product on your website, click Active and apply changes. That's it. If you want to see all your active products, go back to Visit Store and see everything the products that is active. All the products you've grabbed that is now active. So how to ungrab products? Again, go back to your dashboard, go to Add Products, click Grab Deals, and then click on the Manage Your Rebenta products. And then you can see there the products you want to ungrab, whether it be active or inactive. And then click Edit, and then press Ungrab, and then that's it.